I'm trying to work, buddy. Lily. Do you love me? Hey? Yeah. Softicus. What? Oh! No, no, I love you too. I love you too. I love you too. Yes, I do. No, stop licking me. He's disgusting. You're lovely though, aren't you? Yes, you are. Mojo. Oh. Can't believe this. I'm trying to work. Now I was going to sit down on the computer, do some work. And Mojo's decided he wants lobs. Don't you? He loves his mummy. Oh, he loves his. Oh. Oh. Love you too. No. Lobs. Yes, lobs. Oh. Oh, this. You're soppy. You're showing everyone how soppy you are. Yeah. Yeah. He's a good boy. Do you think he's settled down now? Have you settled down now? You make it. You're gonna settle down. Say goodbye. Say goodbye, Facebook. Don't lick me. Oh. And so it goes on.